free films and free food, what's not to love? Welcome back to the series on all the jobs I've had in my life. And in this one, we're talking about one of my all-time favorite jobs. And that was working at Odeon Cinemas. Ding! So why did I like working at the cinema? Well, the simple answer is I love films. Love them. So much so that I went to university to study them. And also, once again, I got to work with friends. So, what were my jobs at Odeon? Well, I worked on the popcorn stand, the ticket stand, the ice cream stand, the box office where we sold tickets, and my favorite was being a cleaner. Now, why did I enjoy being a cleaner? Well, being a cleaner was mostly very peaceful, not too stressful. We got to walk up and down the halls very casually, not very stressful. We had to clean each screen as the film finished. And as a bonus, even though some people might find this a little bit disgusting, we got to eat the food that people had left. Now, I ate the food. I ate the sweets and the chocolate, and I drank drinks that were left. Yeah. Call me disgusting. Yeah. But being a cleaner was just less stressful than working in the popcorn stand or tickets or ice cream. It was a bit easier, a bit calmer, and more fun. Ding! Once again, I got to work with friends from school again, which is good fun. This was also the first time in my life where I had a big social life outside of work. So we would, on Mondays, go out and party and drink and just have a good time. The reason we went on Monday was because on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we were always working because the weekend is the busiest time for the cinema. So what are the negatives, the bad things about working for the cinema? Well, the unsociable hours of working. We would sometimes work until 2 or 3 a.m. Also, dealing with customers, it was very stressful. On opening weekends back in 2008, which was when I worked, opening weekends for big films were ridiculously busy. Films like Pirates of the Caribbean, Spider-Man 2, lots and lots and lots of people. So it was very stressful and hard work sometimes. The positives of working at a cinema was all the free films. You could see any film you want at any time of day, unless it was sold out. And also the social aspect. In Odeon, we had maybe 100 people working, more or less. So it was very fun, very social, lots of people quite young normally. and it made just a very fun period of my life. And in the next episode, I'm going to talk about maybe the most important job I've had in my life. And it's not for the reasons you think. Catch you in the next one. In a bit. Kind of made that bit up at the end. Maybe it works.